Alright, this is the ACEMAGICIan AM07 mini PC. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm going to plug this in, show you how it runs, do some tests on it. I just want to show you what you get with it. Came in a nice little package here, protected very safely. You get the computer itself. You get a pretty nice 19 volt charging block. And that cable on there is 5 foot long. It comes with a mount so that you can mount it on the back of your monitor or TV. There are a couple of different sets of screws that go along with this mount. And we have a set of instructions that basically just show you how to turn it on and walk you through it. We've all used the computer before. And you get an HDMI cable. Alright, so we got a Ryzen 5 5600U processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, up to 4.2 gigs, 16 meg smart cache in there. We got Radeon graphics. Let me go around the horn and then I'll explain some things to you. So here we get the power button here, headphones, USB Type-C in. We have two 3.0s right here on the back. We've got two 2.0 plugins, a display port, and an HDMI port that are both capable of supporting 4K video. And we've got two LANs on here. This thing has dual network ports on it, so you can connect to two different networks simultaneously. So this one here is 1,000 megabytes per second. This one's 2.5 gigs. And here's where you plug the power in. 4 rubber feet on the bottom. What I want to tell you, this comes stock with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM in here. And it is upgradable to 64 gigs. And if you want to do that, you've got to be very careful. But you can remove these 4 feet right here. Like I have. And you can see that there's Phillips head screws under there. And you're going to have to very carefully take everything out to get to that. And it comes stock with 512 gigs of storage, which isn't upgradable, but in this day and age we have plenty of options for backup storage. 5 inches this way, 5 inches this way, about 1 3/4 inches this way. Very small, very compact, very lightweight. So let's test it out. You can see when you got it powered up, the white light comes on. I've got a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse plugged into it, and then I plugged in some speakers. So let me show you what we got here. Running Windows 11 Pro. I did a speed test on here, connected wirelessly, and I'm downloading 398 megs. What I get at my house is 400, and my upload speed is 10. So pretty happy with that. Computer itself, pretty quick. Graphics look good on it. This is an Insignia, actually a TV monitor that I'm running through. See, it's pretty quick.
More than anything to see a real...
Graphics look pretty good. Let me see what we got in here. For those of you interested, I ran a Cinebench R23 test on here. 5,747 points in the multi-core. It's in the 9 spot right here. And if we go to single core, came in the 3 spot, 1,381 points, 10 spot in the MP ratio. So that was cool. And also ran the Crystal Disk Mark test on here. If those numbers mean anything to you, there it is, just so you know. So if you're looking for a mini PC with plenty of options, this will be perfect for a home office, a college student. You know, you got streaming, YouTube, all that stuff. Web serving, obviously, office productivity. Great as a home school computer, a media server. You know, computer behind the TV. It's got all kinds of options in a really compact setting. ACEMAGICIan AM07.